What if I told you there is a legal equation that instantly converts every tire rotation, phone bill, and Uber service fee into tax-free cash? Every tax return begins with raw reactants, and your 1099K form represents the total unstable energy that we must carefully process to find your profits. Without the proper chemical stabilizers, that large gross income figure displayed on your tax document will lead to a highly volatile and massive tax liability. To neutralize this tax threat, we must introduce a powerful catalyst designed to break down your gross earnings into a perfectly safe, tax-free compound. Our first reagent in this reaction is the standard mileage rate, a pre-calculated mathematical constant provided by the government to simplify your complex deduction equation. Think of each business mile you drive as a stable molecule, joining together to build a formidable shield against your taxable rideshare income balance. But to validate this reaction, you must meticulously document every single mile, tracking these financial particles with absolute precision using a reliable digital logbook. Alternatively, you can choose the actual expense method, an entirely different chemical pathway that analyzes every single itemized cost you incur while driving your car. This method mixes different elements together, including fuel, routine maintenance, auto insurance, and vehicle depreciation to calculate the true cost of your driving operation. Choosing between these two methods is critical, as you cannot easily mix these reaction pathways once you have committed to one for the tax year. The standard mileage formula is elegant in its simplicity, requiring only your total business miles multiplied by the government's set rate to yield a massive deduction. Conversely, the actual expense method resembles a complex machine with many moving parts, where every receipt acts as a tiny gear driving your total refund. Fuel is a volatile expense that fluctuates constantly, but under the actual method, every single drop you burn for work becomes a powerful tax deduction. Routine maintenance, such as tire rotations and oil changes, acts as a stabilizing compound, keeping both your vehicle running and your tax burden low. Auto insurance is your protective shield, safeguarding you from road hazards while simultaneously absorbing a portion of your taxable rideshare income like a sponge. Depreciation represents the natural decay of your vehicle's value over time, a hidden financial reaction that you can claim as a massive tax write-off. To find the perfect balance, you must weigh the simplicity of the standard rate against the potential high yield of itemized actual expenses. When properly calculated, your chosen method acts as the primary deduction catalyst, reducing your tax liability and unlocking your potential $1,500 refund. Beyond your car, there are hidden ingredients in this tax reaction, such as your mobile phone, which is essential for receiving ride requests. You can extract a significant deduction from your phone bill, but only the specific percentage of data and calls used directly for your business operations. This requires a split reaction, carefully separating personal phone usage from your professional rideshare hours to ensure absolute accuracy on your final return. Even small accessories, like phone chargers and dashboard mounts, are valid reactants that can be added to your tax-saving compound to increase deductions. Passenger amenities, like complimentary water bottles and snacks, are also classified as business expenses, acting as sweet catalysts that reduce your overall taxable income. In the modern rideshare environment, cleaning supplies, sanitizing wipes, and protective gear are essential reactants that safeguard your health and your financial profits. One of the largest, yet most frequently overlooked, reactants is the Uber service fee, a massive deduction that is already recorded on your tax summary. This fee represents money you never actually pocketed, meaning it must be directly subtracted from your gross earnings to prevent an overtaxation reaction. Bridge and road tolls paid during your active passenger trips are also prime reactants that should be isolated and added to your deduction formula. To keep all these reaction components organized, you must store your physical receipts and digital summaries in a secure, easily accessible financial containment vessel. Utilizing cloud storage for your receipts ensures your tax reactants are permanently stabilized, protected from physical decay, and ready for immediate retrieval. Without structured organization, your tax return becomes highly volatile, dramatically increasing your risk of triggering a stressful and costly audit explosion. By combining your 1099K earnings with verified deductions, you synthesize a perfectly stable financial compound that easily passes any IRS inspection. This compound is officially documented on Schedule C, the critical tax vessel where your business revenues and deductible expenses are balanced to find your net profit. Your gross profit represents the raw energy of your rideshare business, before it is refined by the application of your legally allowed business deductions. After subtracting all deductions, you are left with your net profit, a refined, stable compound that represents your true taxable rideshare income. This net profit is then subjected to the self-employment tax rate multiplier, which calculates your contribution to Social Security and Medicare systems. By minimizing your net profit through smart deductions, you shield your income from being pushed into a higher, more aggressive tax bracket. Calculating the precise ratio of business to personal vehicle use is vital, as only the business portion can be introduced into your tax reaction. Many drivers make the mistake of claiming 100% of their vehicle costs, creating a volatile mixture that easily triggers IRS audit censors. A meticulously maintained mileage logbook serves as your primary defense, proving the exact ratio of your business travel with ironclad scientific evidence. Think of this process as calibrating your scientific instruments, ensuring that every calculation on your tax return is accurate to the single cent. Achieving the perfect balance between your business income and your qualified deductions is the key to unlocking a massive legal tax refund. By maintaining perfect compliance, you build an impenetrable shield that completely protects your rideshare business from any potential government audit threats. This precision is what transforms a standard, average tax return into a high-yield refund catalyst, maximizing your hard-earned rideshare profits legally. Unlike standard W-2 employees, rideshare drivers have the unique ability to directly control their taxable income through active business expense management. As an independent contractor, you are the sole catalyst of your business, responsible for initiating the reactions that lead to tax savings. Modern tax software acts as a powerful solvent, dissolving the complexities of the tax code and revealing your optimal refund pathway automatically. At the core of this system is a series of precise calculations, processing your raw mileage data and expense records into deductible wealth. By securing your mileage log with a digital audit lock, you ensure that your single largest deduction is completely safe from IRS skepticism. Synthesizing your physical receipts into organized digital categories is the final step in preparing your tax return for active refund generation. This systematic reduction of your net profit is entirely legal, designed by the government to encourage and support small business growth and entrepreneurship. The Internal Revenue Service provides these deduction pathways as catalysts, ensuring that independent drivers are not unfairly taxed on their operational expenses. Understanding the self-employment tax is crucial, as it is calculated separately from standard income tax and requires its own set of deduction shields. By activating your deduction shield, you deflect these heavy self-employment taxes, keeping a much larger portion of your rideshare earnings in your pocket. Your vehicle is more than just a tool. It is a highly complex, moving tax deduction that generates wealth with every turn of the wheel. With the standard mileage rate, every single mile you drive acts as a reliable multiplier, steadily building your overall tax deduction balance. If you choose the actual expense method, you must carefully compound all your receipts to ensure you are capturing the maximum allowable deduction. This strategic combination of deductions is the exact catalyst needed to unlock your $1,500 refund, putting your hard-earned money back in your pocket. By maintaining clear, organized records, you ensure that your tax return is completely stable, keeping you perfectly safe from any unexpected audit reactions. Consulting with a qualified tax professional is always recommended, ensuring your unique tax equation is perfectly optimized for your specific rideshare business. Tax planning is a year-round reaction, requiring consistent tracking of your miles and expenses through every season to achieve the best results. Mastering this chemistry allows you to transform your daily rideshare driving into a highly efficient, wealth-generating compound that minimizes your tax burden. Your smartphone is a key business reagent, and a significant portion of its operating costs can be legally claimed as a tax deduction. The internet plan you use to manage your rideshare account and communicate with customers is also a valuable reactant in your saving formula. Auxiliary items like phone mounts, charging cables, and seat covers are often overlooked, but they represent valid business expenses that compound your deductions. Providing passenger comforts like tissues and snacks not only boosts your ratings, but also serves as a sweet deduction reagent on your tax return. Car washes and professional cleaning services are essential reactants, keeping your business image clean and reducing your net taxable income directly. Tolls paid during passenger trips are fully deductible, representing a direct $4 reduction of your overall taxable rideshare gross income. Even parking fees incurred while waiting for ride requests are valid business expenses, adding valuable weight to your final deduction calculation. Using a digital ledger to compound your expenses ensures all elements of your tax reaction are balanced and ready for final analysis. A well-prepared tax return acts as a safety shield, protecting your hard-earned profits and giving you complete peace of mind on the road. The final balance sheet is the ultimate proof of your success, showing a perfectly optimized tax return that yields maximum financial benefit. By mastering the chemistry of your taxes, you transform standard rideshare driving into a powerful, tax-free compound of long-term financial wealth. Activate your tax catalyst today and turn every mile into a powerful reaction that builds a more secure and prosperous financial future.